So having braces for 5 years, I definitely know what I'm talking about. So in this video, we are going to talk about everything you need to know about braces. So how about you grab your cup of drink, cup of coffee like I am, and let's get this video started, alright? This is going to be fun, I promise. So a lot of people tend to ask, does it hurt? Oh my goodness, I remember the first day I got it, I definitely took pain medication, but I went to work and my mouth was so sore that I was even upset because like I couldn't eat, and just being sore, I wouldn't say my pain was at a 10 or whatnot. Maybe my pain was at a 4, my pain level, but just like not also being able to eat the foods that I wanted to eat. I think I was on a liquid diet for that entire day, and I slowly eased into like eating soft food. So like that's definitely one thing. I remember being miserable. So yeah, unfortunately it comes with that. So how much does braces cost? I paid $5,000. That's a lot of money. My insurance helped a bit, but you know, the insurance that I have, they only paid up to like $2,500. So like the $2,500 that I had to come up with, I had to definitely pay it in installment plan. But ta-da, I'm done paying for my braces. So that is one exciting thing. Yeah, so $5,000, and usually braces ranges from like $5,000 to like 8, or even some people charge $10,000. So like make sure you have insurance, or make sure, like, you know, as a kid, if your parents are paying for it for you, definitely, you know, be very thankful for that. Are you gonna have your teeth, tooth, whatever it is, pulled out for braces? Yes, but make sure. Some people didn't have their tooth pulled out for braces, but I had to get my tooth pulled out, and trust me, it was very sad because like I do like my teeth, and I had to get them pulled out, and I had to take 4. I had to get 4 teeth pulled out. It wasn't fun. I was bleeding everywhere and stuff. So like make sure, if you're thinking about braces or into like the whole braces thing, make sure you ask, am I gonna have to get, you know, my teeth pulled out? Some people do it without, but I definitely had to get 4 of my teeth pulled out. And basically I had to do it because like I did have a lot of crowding in my braces that, you know, I needed to create room for, like, you know, the teeth to move and stuff. At least that's what I was told. Also, when you get your teeth pulled out, be prepared to like end up with gaps. I had like major gaps in my teeth, but like I think it took about a year for my gaps to close with, like, you know, power chains. But I mean, just be prepared to like have gaps, and you know, just accept it. That's what is gonna happen for a while. I thought like me having gaps would just close it at my next appointment or what my next adjustment, but no, it actually took longer, and I would legitly say it took almost a year to like close my gaps. So one thing also, people that, you know, are curious about braces, they always want to know if you sound different from getting your braces versus without your braces, without having braces. And I would say I sometimes sound different, which is sometimes like I'm trying to get my words out, but I can't really, and it's like blah. And then like a lot of the times when I'm talking to people, I'm like, I can't even talk right now. That became my catchphrase for a bit. Like, I'm sorry, I can't talk right now, because like just saying something is like blah, you know, getting something out, but it's not coming out the way you want it to. So yeah, I sounded different a little bit, and yeah, I think I do a little bit now, but yeah, then again, it's me, so I don't really care about sounding different. So be prepared to have food stuck in your braces. Like, my catchphrase is like, hey, do I have something stuck in my braces and stuff? My friends are usually, people around me usually understand. So like anytime I say, do I have food stuck in my braces, they are like watching out. But also one tip that I use when I have food stuck in my braces, like, yo, this tongue is very powerful. I know it sounds really gross, me like trying to pull out my tongue and stuff, but I always go like this. I can't believe I'm doing it on camera, but don't judge me. Yeah, so that's how I go to, like, if I want to get food stuck in it. And like, you know, if you do have a mirror, you know, with you every time, it's fine. But like, if not, just go to the bathroom, find a bathroom around you, and go see if you have food stuck in it. If you don't have any of that, just be like me. and try to get the food out with your tongue. Does getting adjustment hurt? You know, because like with braces, I literally have to go to my orthodontist like every month. And you know, I feel like my body became used to definitely became used to getting adjustment. But I remember like during the earlier stages of my braces, I remember one incident I had to go get an adjustment, and that was the first time I had to wear rubber bands. And I put on the rubber bands, and trust me, in the middle of the night I was so much in excruciating pain that I had to wake up and go take some pain medicine and stuff. But like for the most part, it doesn't hurt. Like I'm telling you, I've been in braces for 5 years. Earlier it did hurt, and now it doesn't hurt, if it makes sense. Like, yeah. So one unfortunate thing is that be prepared to have a lot of cuts in your mouth, like in your cheeks and stuff, because like sometimes the rubber, the wires rub on your cheeks, because I remember like I got to a state that, oh my goodness, I couldn't even feel the inside of my cheek, sorry, because it was so disgusting. And I mean, it's not painful or whatnot, but like you could feel your skin tearing, and I'm pretty sure I ate a lot of like my tissues from my cheeks. So like what also helps if you don't want that, they recommend wax, but like I couldn't get the wax to stay on, so like it really didn't happen. So make sure anytime you get an adjustment, make sure they are cutting the wires, like any excess wires, so you don't have to like deal with the situation where you have like your cheeks all cut up and stuff, because it's not fun, trust me. So I'm not gonna lie, there was a point in life that I got insecure about wearing braces, especially me being an adult. Like I'm in my 20s and I'm wearing braces, but I did get insecure for a little bit of my journey. But honestly, it's a phase of life. You have to embrace it. It's just temporary. You are not gonna be in braces forever. Even though I've been in braces for 5 years, I feel like it's a phase in life that I have to embrace it. So like, yeah, now I don't even care about having braces. Yeah. Also, be prepared for people to ask you multiple questions like, oh, when are you gonna get your braces on? Trust me, you are gonna get that a lot, that you shouldn't even get annoyed about it, because like people are still, and especially me having it for 5 years, people are like, shouldn't you already take your braces off? No, ma'am, I still have it on, all right? I guarantee you that as I'm recording this video, I still have food stuck in my teeth. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. Braces. I'm okay now. I went to the bathroom to do my little thing, take the braces out of my teeth. Just kidding. Took the food out of my teeth, and I think I'm okay now. I just smile a lot, even though I'm smiling. This is me. I was born smiling. But I feel like with braces, I kind of toned it down, because first I was like, hi, I'm working on sunshine, hi. But now it's like, I still smile, but it's not a lot. So yeah, I do, but I used to do it more. Even now, I feel like I smile a lot now, but I used to do it more, if that makes sense. This, I would emphasize, a good oral hygiene is definitely important. Usually, if you don't have a braces or anything on, you are expected to go see your hygienist like 2 times in a year. But with braces, trust me, it's gonna have to be more. I go to my hygienist 4 times a year, because like you have to get in between the wires and stuff, and also make sure, get ready for buying a lot of toothbrushes, because like braces, just say bye-bye to your toothbrush. The wires really messes up your toothbrush. That I'm telling you, you will go through a lot. I even bought like me a fancy toothbrush and all that, but trust me, it goes like this, and I'm like, why am I even buying me a fancy toothbrush? Is that really necessary? But that, I guess that is the perks of having braces. You're gonna buy a lot of toothbrush and keep up with brushing your teeth at least 2 times a day. But I don't. I only brush my teeth once. So in between visits, listen to your ortho. When they tell you to wear rubber bands, wear it religiously. When they tell you to do stuff, if you want to speed up your whole process, just do whatever they tell you. Why it took me 5 years is definitely going to be another video. And yeah, but I'm telling you, listen to your ortho between appointment. Whatever they tell you, do it religiously. All right. Video on the side. This is me drinking my coffee and it's cold, but I'm still gonna drink it because I spent so much time making this video. Also, one thing, don't ever come here, listen to me, ever oh my goodness, I'm trying to make this video fun for you. I hope it's working because I'm really working hard. Just kidding. But don't ever use whitening, you know, whitening toothpaste, whitening. Don't ever try to like whiten your teeth while you're having braces, because you are seriously gonna have two different colors if you remove your braces, and it's not even like, it's not, you don't want that, because that's gonna create a whole new problem on top of like what you've already paid for your braces. So don't ever whiten your teeth with braces. Wait till like you are done, or do it before braces so you can have like even shade of teeth. One thing I think is exciting, it's fun about braces is that you get to choose multiple colors. Like when you go get your teeth tightened and stuff, like trust me, I've used all the colors. I'm 29 and trust me, I get so excited about the colors. Like, you know, I've used purple, I've used orange, I've used blue, I've used every pink of course is my favorite. Look at my nails. So trust me, that's one fun thing about wearing braces, is getting to choose the colors. So if you are like me that like wearing black lipstick, you know, being very dramatic with your lipstick, don't ever wear lipstick and go to your braces appointment, because trust me, you are gonna get out of the appointment looking like a scary face, and you're even gonna scare the ortho and the techs, and they don't want to be scared. So don't ever wear lipstick when you're going to your appointment. One food that I feel like is so disgusting after you eat it for people with braces is hamburgers. If you eat burgers, you have the bread and everything stuck in your teeth, and I'm telling you, it's so disgusting. I'm not telling you not to eat burgers, still eat it, but definitely make sure you go clean your teeth and stuff after you wear it. My phone is about to die, but yeah. Last but not least, I feel like braces definitely changes the shape of your face, if that makes sense. I had like a roundish oval face, but now I feel like my face is more oval, so it kind of elongated my jawline, and hey, I'm not mad about it. Yeah. So yes, so these are the lists I could come up with on the top of my head. I hope it's very helpful. If you guys want to know why it took me 5 years of my braces, it's, you know, please write a comment and stuff. But really, thank you for watching this video. Please show some love to my channel before you leave. I'm hoping that you watched it till the very end, because it's very important to like know certain things. Even though I try to joke around a lot, this is like legit things you should know before getting your braces. Alright, see you. Peace and love. Don't forget to hit the subby button. Alright, bye.